The following video is real footage of a real idiot buying junk at the Goodwill outlet. Items are priced by their weight. $1.79 per pound.
So I have before.
It's boring. You're boring everybody. Quit boring everyone.
Brand new. What's up? How you been?
Okay.
Good.
How you been?
Hanging in there. Fingernail clipper? No, I'm good on those, but I don't think I could use used fingernail clippers. You got to draw the line somewhere, though. I don't know yet. Yeah, nothing too good though. A lot of recorded tapes. John Wayne. So I have before. Yep. Yeah, that was quite the surprise that day.
I guess I gotta say real low so people can hear. Did you find yourself a new friend?
I think so. It's my guy.
What's going on here? What is this?
Comtron. That's probably like some old like Knight Rider villain semi truck set.
No markings. Who's got it?
What do I do without my water now? I'm dying.
Can you bring your water in?
No! Ashley told me that they'd kick me out.
Well, it doesn't exist.
Did you see this? Camelback. Is it missing something? It's new. Brand new. Whoa. Little shuffle. Nah. Is it good? I know you like plush. Do you want it?
No. You're the plush guy.
I'm the plush man. I can't even fit it in there.
Carrying around like the little bitch that you are.
Huh?
Nothing?
What? What?
What's this Jeep bag?
No. Okay. Kitty. Rice. Oh. Got an American Girl doll. Got some Hello Kitty stuff. Yeah, and this Easter one. It's got some poop stains on it. Let me at it. What's that? Oh, yeah. Well, is that up your alley? No?
Not really.
Holy. Kind of a cool Goofy.
No.
That's a cool plush, but it's really old, I think. Animal Playland, Commonwealth.
Yeah, if you sell that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Commonwealth?
Yeah, he's little too big for me, I think. What am I doing? Just trying to figure out what that was. There he is. Steve, looks like you got a full bag.
Yeah, but it's
just junk.
maybes.
Bunch of maybes. Yeah, they've done all these so far. Steve Irwin.
Yeah.
Hey. That's what I need. I need one of those for my nose hairs. Yeah. I'm kind of like letting them grow out to protect me from flu season, you know? Yeah.
I feel like it would get flu stuck on your.
No, that's what your hairs are for. So it blocks the germs from getting into your body. Man. Frosty! Frosty! Hey, is that Ziggy? Ziggy!
How's the remote game doing these days?
Remote game?
Yeah, I looked and you had like 3 remotes sold in a row.
Oh yeah, I did pretty well. I mean, that's like one of my staples. Witches. I feel like I don't see that one very often.
Nightlife. There's good reason to be afraid of the dark.
Nightlife, that's pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not sure what that is. Itchy.
Life is unfair. Yeah!
Wally's a little messed up.
This one was a big cast.
Yeah, from the Carhartt.
Nifty old man.
He'll be back.
Hey, what's it gonna be?
Nightlife?
Where's that at?
Over here. Yeah. Look.
Moldy Goldie. The Clearing.
Maybe that was a different title for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not. Damn it.
Life is unfair.
Shoot. Whoa. I've always wanted that. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville. Welcome to Jackass. Whoa!
There are people watching.
I mean, I don't really know what good content is, but
But that wasn't
that wasn't it.